Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah wa ala ahli wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Halal training and coaching program, and we ask Almighty Allah to bless our efforts. If you are new to the channel or you are new to the series, kindly do well to subscribe to the channel right now and go to the description of this video to watch the past videos. So we are still on e-commerce training, and the last video we designed the landing page, our sales page. Now today we want to design the thank you page, because if somebody actually purchase product, fill the order form to purchase the product on your website, on your landing page or your sales page, the thank you page is the next page the person is going to go to automatically after filling the order form. So this is the page you want to design now. So when you are on your dashboard like this, in your 𝐓𝐨𝐿 platform, because this is the platform we are using to design our sales page. If you are still using WordPress, you are prone to viruses, to hacks, to a lot of things. The best way you can be safe and design unlimited number of websites without any hassle is by getting the 𝐵𝐴. 𝐵𝐴 is very expensive, $97 per month. But if you buy it from the Halal platform, Total Reach, you are only paying a token, very subsidized, and you are paying in Naira. You don't have to find dollar to purchase your hosting or domain or things like that. So that's why. Go to the link you see on the screen of this video or the link in the description to buy the Total Reach and get your own access to 𝐵𝐴. This is a monthly package that is very subsidized for Nigerians and Africa at large. So when you are on your 𝐵𝐴 dashboard, go to site. When you come to site like this, you'll be under funnel. I've already shared this funnel with us, a modern funnel, so click on it. So one thing you can do that is even more appropriate is that when you are here, you can duplicate this. You can duplicate this particular a modern funnel. You can duplicate it. Just click on this, click on clone. So when you want to clone it, call it the name of that particular watch you are selling. Let me say N8 in this case, N8 Ultra. Confirm. So when you have done that, let me refresh. You can see that my funnel is arranged alphabetically, the numbers first, then the alphabet. So as for me, I want it to arrange based on the time. Most recent ones to be at the top here. So I will click on this. So I have this N8 here because this is the most recent funnel I just created. So I will click on it. So when I'm here, I will delete other pages. I will delete this one. I will copy this, delete, copy, paste it here. I will click on this too. I will delete it. These two, I can delete it. So for this particular funnel, this is the main page there. The name of this particular step is called N8 Ultra, as you can see it. So you can come to publishing here and rename it to whatever you want to name it. You can say N8 Ultra and you can put it here too. So but this particular part, you have to put hyphen in between each name. And if you like, you can write everything together without hyphen. There's no problem with that. So you can rename, if I rename it to N8 Ultra Plus, I click update, immediately it's going to change here. So this is it. So what I can do now is that I want to clone this particular step too. I want to clone it. Clone step. When I clone it, you can see the name N8 Ultra Plus clone. So I will come to this publishing. I will remove this. Instead of the clone, I will write thank you page, because this is the page I want to use for the thank you. Let me just write thank you. And here too, I can write thank you. Thank hyphen then you hyphen. This is not compulsory, as I've mentioned. If you like, you can write everything together just to make it distinct. Now I have my sales page and I have my thank you page. I've already designed the sales page in the last video. You can go to the last video to watch if you haven't watched that. So today I want to design the thank you page. So I will come here and click on this edit and click on edit in new tab. So I'm here now. Since I'm here, I will delete every other thing from this other form. All these things. Okay. From this video, I will delete everything here. I don't need them for the thank you page. I will delete everything. Okay, let me keep this. I need something like this. Okay, let me delete this. You will see the reason. Because I know what I want to design, that's why I can decide to keep that particular thing. So this one is a section. All those ones I was deleting, they were elements, but this now is section. This is a section, then this is a role inside the section, the role that is having the column. So I'm going to delete the section, the green one. I will click on this delete icon. Also, this is another section. You can see the green, you can see the role with something like gray, but the section with green. So I'll try to get the section and delete it. Everything will go. Now this is what I have. So what I'm going to do is that here I will write congratulations. Here I will write order placed successfully. So this one I can delete, this one available in this. Okay, here I can write something like this. One of our customer care attendants will reach out to you to confirm your order. You can also click on the link on the button below to chat with us on WhatsApp. Thanks. So this is it. Then this button is going to be the WhatsApp button. All right, WhatsApp. So okay, so when I have this, I can click on this particular one. I can click on this. I'll come to this place. I'll come down where I have top margin. The top margin, let me give it, let me say 30. The bottom margin to 30. Okay, so it's okay now. So this particular button, when I click on it, you can see that I have icon here, then the text, then something under it. So I'm going to change everything. So if I should come to this particular place, you can see the icon picker, shopping cart. I don't want shopping cart. What do I want? I want WhatsApp. Let me try to get WhatsApp there. Okay, I want this one. So as for the text, it's not don't worry. I want chats on WhatsApp. Chats on WhatsApp. We are available now. So some of the people will put their WhatsApp link on the sales page itself or their phone number. I don't do that because a lot of people, they are just doing window shopping. They might not be interested in buying, so they will just be calling you or chatting you up on WhatsApp and they are not serious. So I don't do that. It is so disturbing to me. So I only put my WhatsApp link on the thank you page. So after placing your order, then you can chat me up about your order. As for just chatting me up while you are on the sales page, I don't like people like that. A lot of those people who are calling you are chatting you up on WhatsApp. They are not serious. Most of them are not serious. So that's why I only put this on the thank you page. So when you now click on it, you come to link to, you now come here, put website URL. So the website URL is now going to be https the colon, then forward slash double, then you now say wa.me/234, then your phone number without zero. If my phone number is 080, I will only start with 8066133667 or 668. If that's my phone number, then I will now put open a new tab. I'll put this one on, then I will save it. So this is my thank you page. So I will come back to this place. I will go to the sales page, the landing page. I'll click on this edit a new tab. I want to edit it. So if you go down to your form and click your form like this, now come down, look at something here, redirect action. Use action from the When you click on this redirect action, you click on it, you now click on go to next step. Go to next step. That means if somebody fills this form, immediately the person click on place order now. After filling the form, it's going to take the person to the next step on the funnel. And what is the next step after this particular sales page? It is the thank you page. It is the thank you page. So that's what I want. I will now save it. Then I'm done. Let me test it. If somebody comes to my sales page, see the video, everything, and the person click on place order now. So let's the full name. Let me just enter something. The full name, let me just enter Yusuf. Email, maybe yusuf@gmail.com. Phone number, maybe 09066133221. Let me copy the same phone number and use it as this alternative phone number. The state, let me say Lagos. The town, let me say 𝐶𝐞𝐫. Address, let me just say number 4 Farm Street. Any message, no message. So place order. Wow, you can see after the person places the order, say congratulations, order placed successfully. One of our customer care attendants will reach out to you to confirm your order. You can also click on the button below to chat with us on WhatsApp. Thanks. So if the person click on this, you're going to take the person to WhatsApp. If it's on phone, directly to WhatsApp. You can see. So the person is just going to chat you up on WhatsApp. So this is how it works. You have your landing page, your sales page, and you have your thank you page, everything set up. So if you should go to your Go High Level, if you go to form and go to submissions, you can see it here. These are the submissions. You can see the submission. Yusuf, you can see this is a phone number. You can see 𝐶𝐞𝐫. You can see the street, everything. You can see the URL. You can see everything about. So you are going to see all your orders here. So you are going to be taking the order, be contacting the buyers. Okay, you are going to confirm the order and other things we are going to be telling you. So this is how it works. May Almighty Allah put back in it for us. So if you are yet to get your own Go High Level account, try to do so. So try to do so. That's the best way you can do this e-commerce, your website, everything you are doing online. You need Go High Level. You need Go High Level. May Almighty Allah put back in it for us. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah wabarakatuh.